I'm criminal defense attorney Neil Shouse. I get a lot of questions about California Penal Code 991, or what we often call a 991 motion. A 991 motion is a motion that we make in court asking the judge to dismiss the case. The only time you can make this particular motion is when it's a misdemeanor case and the person is in jail or in custody at the time of the arraignment. In order to win a 991 motion, you have to convince the judge that there was no probable cause to hold you for this charge, that the prosecutor simply does not have a case. The judge considers the 991 motion based primarily on the arrest warrant and the police reports. Normally, these documents are considered hearsay and not admissible in court, but at a misdemeanor arraignment, there has been no witness testimony yet, so the judge has to decide the issue based on the arrest warrant and the police reports. If the judge decides that there is in fact probable cause to bring a case against you, that is, you lose the 991 motion, then the case is set for trial. If the judge decides that there is not probable cause, that is, you win the 991 motion, then the case is dismissed. If the 991 motion is granted and the case dismissed, the prosecutor has the right to refile the charge within 15 days. But if the prosecutor does this and then loses a 991 motion a second time, then the case is over for good and the DA can never ever refile the charge. A lot of people ask me, is it easy to win a 991 motion? The answer is generally not. It's not like a trial where the prosecutor has to prove the charges beyond a reasonable doubt. That's a much higher burden of proof. At a 991 motion, the prosecutor merely has to show that there is probable cause to charge you with the crime. That means it's more likely than not that you committed the crime. Most of the time, the prosecutor wins the 991 motion, but not always. Here at Shouse Law Group, we have been successful many times in getting charges dismissed by way of a 991 motion. A good defense lawyer can often put forward the right arguments to convince the judge to grant the motion. If you or a loved one is in jail and you need help to get the person released and to fight the charges, then we invite you to call us 24/7 here at the Shouse Law Group.